If you want to install WordPress on Namecheap with HTTPS using cPanel and Softaculous, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you can get your WordPress site installed correctly on your domain, secured with HTTPS, and ready to log into your dashboard. This is a simple process, but if you follow each step carefully, you can avoid common setup mistakes and get your site live faster. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and WordPress guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your hosting services. From there, go to Hosting List. This is where you'll see the hosting package connected to your domain. Next to your hosting plan, click Go to cPanel. That will open the control panel where you can manage your website files, databases, email, and app installations. Now that you're inside cPanel, look for the Softaculous apps installer. Softaculous is the tool that makes installing WordPress much easier because it handles the setup for you. Once you open Softaculous, find WordPress and click on it. On the WordPress page, you'll see the install button. Go ahead and click install to begin the setup process. Now you'll reach the main installation form. The first thing you need to check is the installation URL. Under Choose Installation URL, select your domain from the drop-down list. This is important because you want WordPress installed on the correct website. Next, make sure the protocol is set to HTTPS, not HTTP. Choosing HTTPS helps secure the connection between your website and your visitors, and it's the better option for trust and SEO. If you want WordPress installed on your main domain, leave the in-directory field completely empty. That tells Softaculous to install WordPress directly on your root domain instead of putting it in a subfolder. For example, if your domain is yourdomain.com, leaving this blank will install WordPress on the main site rather than something like yourdomain.com/blog. After that, you can set your site name and site description. Your site name is usually your website or brand name, and your site description can briefly explain what your website is about. Don't worry too much about making these perfect right now, because you can always edit them later inside WordPress. Next, create your WordPress admin login details. Choose a strong admin username, create a secure password, and enter an email address that you actively use. These details will be used to sign into your WordPress dashboard, so make sure you store them safely. A strong password is especially important because it helps protect your website from unauthorized access. Once everything looks good, scroll down the page and click Install. Softaculous will now begin installing WordPress on your Namecheap hosting account. This may take a few moments, so let the process complete before you do anything else. When the installation finishes, you'll see a success message along with your website URL and your admin login URL. To access your new WordPress dashboard, open your browser and go to http://yourdomain.com wp admin, replacing your domain.com with your actual domain name. Then log in using the admin username and password you created during setup. Once you're inside, you'll be able to start customizing your site, installing themes, adding plugins, and creating your first pages and posts. And that's it. You've now installed WordPress on Namecheap using cPanel and Softaculous with HTTPS enabled. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.